Hi, I'm Apple. We're here at Botanika Nature Residences. It's a 3-tower development, flagship project of Filigree, the newest high-end property portfolio. It's located in Philinvest City, Alabang, which has become a progressive garden central business district where head offices and businesses are located. Our 2-bedroom premier model unit. Let's take a look inside. It is sized at 137 square meters. To your right is the powder room that your guests can immediately use upon entering. The unit has an open layout. We have here our show kitchen that is adjacent to the dining and living area. The dining area can conveniently fit a 6 to 8 seater dining area. Walk through the dining area, you're led to a spacious living room that offers views of our gardens. From the living area, you have access to our generously sized balcony. The balcony faces our amenities and our future developments. The view is nice, right? Let's head back inside. I'd like to bring you back to our kitchen area. Here we have our show kitchen, which is fitted out with quartz countertops and modular cabinetry. The show kitchen is connected to our service kitchen and a utility area, which is a unique offering of most of our units. The utility area has its own toilet and bath. Now I want to show you the bedrooms. This is our owner's suite. It's actually interesting to note that all of the bedrooms in our units offer its own toilet and bath. This is the toilet and bath of the owner's suite. It provides ample closet space. Now let's go to the actual bedroom. The bedroom features a picture window. You wake up here with a view of the gardens. Here's our secondary bedroom. Again, it has its own toilet and bath. You can use this room for your guests or your kids, and it's actually provided with built-in closets. That wraps up our tour of our 2-bedroom premier model unit. If you would like to know more details, please go to our website at botanika.com.ph. We look forward to hearing from you.